A few months ago, we launched README Refactored. It took us a hair longer to cut a release for Enterprise because we wanted to make sure we got it right.
Today, we're finally letting README Refactored for Enterprise out of its cage.
We thought about all the common traps big teams face. So good news, no more tangled workflows, restrictive staging, or messy merges.
It's an entirely redesigned experience, which makes writing docs a breeze.
Our editor is now MDX powered, so you can take a big swing at building custom interactive components.
Guys, this is just so corny.
The entire experience is rebuilt on top of Git, so you can work wherever you want. If you prefer our UI, you can use that. Or if you'd rather fork your docs and work locally in Git, you can do that as well.
We're also replacing traditional staging for Enterprise with something much more powerful. Branching!
Rather than just having one staging environment, with branching, you can have as many as you want. And if you're Enterprise, you get to judge what gets deployed and when.
We're excited for you to try it. It really rocks.
We want to make sure your README Enterprise experience is smooth, so we'll reach out with next steps.
Keep an eye on your inbox. We'll be reaching out next week to schedule time to go over your migration plan so that you can get started on the new README.
I'll show you what the new README looks like in a project in our enterprise group. In the new editing experience, you're able to toggle between view and edit mode so that you can easily preview changes before you make them live. Global custom components got a big upgrade. Now, with README Refactored, you'll be able to use MDX components across your projects. MDX allows you to embed JSX directly within your Markdown content, enabling you to add dynamic reusable components right alongside your docs. This makes global custom components so much more powerful. Let's see what that looks like. I already went to our marketplace, which is an MDX component library in GitHub. I found a faux terminal that I wanted to use across my projects. So I input that there, I'll click save, and now I can use this component anywhere. So I go back to my docs in edit mode. I'll add the faux terminal. I'll click save. And then I'm able to view it. We've also launched branching with README Refactored for Enterprise. So with branching, you can use branches to make changes and review them in a preview environment before they're live. Rather than one staging environment, you can create as many branches as you need and merge only what's ready. So as an example, I'll add another branch. And here, your teammates can make isolated changes and you can decide what's ready to be merged. I'll go back into edit mode, make a change, and I'll click save. If you have bidirectional sync set up, branches are mirrored between README and GitHub. This means that you can collaborate in either place and you don't have to choose between docs as code and our editor. For enterprise groups, you will have granular custom merge permissions and review workflows for better governance and team collaboration. You can either choose to merge now, or you can see all your branches and decide which one you want to merge back into your parent version.
On top of README Refactored for Enterprise, we're at the world's largest key because we're unlocking something massive. We now support OAuth right inside your docs in the API reference section. Developers shouldn't have to jump through auth hoops in order to test your API. Now, they don't. Because great API docs don't just show endpoints, they unlock them.